when was the strategic partner appointed, and how did he add value to our state in just 45 days of giving his partnership value, and the staff which was there, from when it was appointed and why were they paid till 31st March 2023. Finally, let him give answers, and then we will want to have, and we would want to demand to have a high level inquiry under a retired high court judge with all this first question what he is answering, because त्याने काहीच लिपोईल ना, त्याला काहीच प्रॉब्लेम ना, तो दुधासारखं धोवा हा. So he has to give me a confirmation that on this first question, after he replies, we will put up a high level inquiry under a retired high court judge.
The total expenditure incurred according to your replies is 975 crores, of which 349 crores you have spent on organizational events, expenditure mudagela, and 573 crores you have moved in 3 phases. In the first phase, 317 crores, second phase, 152 crores, and third phase, 104 crores. Now, opening and closing ceremony, you have spent 23 crores. 23 crores you have spent on promotional events of national games.
आमचे आदरणीय ऑपोजिशन लिडरान सांगिल्लें आसा की 573 कोटी आमी टोटल कॉस्ट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचेर मोडिल्लो आहा. हो 573 कोटी हो फक्त ह्या नॅशनल गेम्सा खातीर मोडूना. हो 573 कोटी जो आसा पळय सिन्स 2014 आमी हो जो तुका टोटल जो कॉस्ट आमी दिल्लो आसा तो टोटल कॉस्ट सिन्स 2014 till today काय न्ही 570. आणि आत्ताचे म्हणजे जो हांवें टेक ओवर घेवन नॅशनल गेम्स 37th जे खातीर आमी कितें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर दॅट वी हॅव स्पेंट ओन्ली 48 crores इतलेंच आसा. पूण ह्यो ज्यो सगळ्यो काही गोश्टी फिगर सांगता पळय न्ही पब्लिकांक, हे 2014 पासून जितली आमी कामां केल्ली आसा त्या नॅशनल गेम्स जातल्यो अशें धरून टील लुसोफोनियाक सुद्दां ह्याच फंडांच्यान जाल्ले आशिल्ल्यो. हे सगळो एस्टिमेट आमी तुका दिल्लो आसा 573 crores. ऑर्गनायझेशन म्हाका जर तूं विचारत नॅशनल गेम्स आनी फॉर द पब्लिकाक जर आमी स्पिकर सर सांगत जाल्यार प्रोजेक्ट प्लस ऑर्गनायझेशन जो कॉस्ट जो आसा तो 445 crores आसा. तातूंत भितर आमी 261 crores आमी पेड केल्ले आसा आनी बॅलन्स आसा आमचे 184 crores. This is only organization of the 37th national games, including the current infrastructure. The 48 crores सुद्धा आमी 45 crores जे आमी ते केल्या पळय ते आसा.